Tucked away in the heart of the region lies a place that many might overlook at first glance, Southwest 32. It isn't just a name or a spot on a mop-up, it's a story waiting to unfold, filled with vibrant scenery, warm people, and unique experiences that etch themselves into memory. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone just starting to explore hidden gems, Southwest 32 invites you to pause, breathe, and discover. From the moment you arrive, you're greeted by a landscape that feels both timeless and alive. The sun casts golden hues across rolling plains and rugged hills, painting shadows that dance with the wind. Nature here isn't just a backdrop, it's the rhythm of life. Birds call out as they soar overhead, and the distant rustle of leaves tells tales of quiet mornings and starlit nights. Every corner, every path you take, seems to carry the echoes of stories past and possibilities yet to come. What makes Southwest 32 special isn't just its natural beauty, though that alone would be enough. It's the spirit of the place, the sense of community and the pride locals take in their home. Stop into a roadside diner and you'll be met with a warm smile and a hot plate that tastes like tradition. Speak to a local farmer and hear generations of wisdom in their voice as they talk about the land, the weather, and the changing seasons. There's an authenticity here that can't be manufactured, only felt. Art and culture breathe through the streets, often in unexpected places. Murals splash color across brick walls, each brushstroke telling a piece of the community's identity. Handmade crafts fill the shelves of local shops, each item infused with passion and care. Music spills out from open doors during weekend gatherings, and laughter lingers long after the sun dips below the horizon. This is a place where creativity isn't a performance, it's a way of life. But perhaps the most memorable part of a visit to Southwest 32 is the sense of peace it brings. In a world constantly buzzing with notifications, obligations, and stress, this small corner offers a rare gift: stillness. It's in the early morning fog lifting off the fields. It's in the shared silence between strangers watching a sunset. It's in the feeling you get when you realize that for once, you're not in a rush and you don't want to be. Whether you're here to hike the trails, savor local flavors, capture that perfect photo, or simply take a break from routine, Southwest 32 offers something that goes beyond attraction. It offers connection. To nature. To others. To yourself. As you leave, don't be surprised if you carry a bit of it with you. Maybe it's a memory, a conversation, or just the feeling of open skies and open hearts. Whatever it is, it stays. And it calls you back. So next time you're searching for more than just a destination, consider the quiet charm of Southwest 32. It's not flashy. It doesn't shout for attention. But it waits, patiently, for those willing to listen. And those who do, never forget it. Let me know if you'd like a version that includes a specific location, product, or call to action for a YouTube audience.